Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Guys, today we are looking at South African celebrities who are in polygamous marriages. So several South African celebrities and public figures openly practice polygamy. Now on this list, on number one, we have DJ Euphonic. So DJ Euphonic's real name is Themba Nkosi and he has two wives. Their names are Kholeka Qiniso, who is the first wife, and Aurelia Nxumalo, who is the second wife. So there were rumors that he wanted to take as a third wife. Not sure if that still happened, but for now, we only know of these two. And there were also rumors that the person that he wanted to take as the third wife was allegedly pregnant at the time. So that could be the reason he also wanted to take her as a partner, make her the third wife. But for now, we only know of these two. We don't know if it really went on or not. Number two on the list, we have the famous Mr. Gumbi. So Mr. Gumbi is a millionaire businessman and reality TV star. His real name is Lucky Somkhanda Gumbi, but he is famously known as Mr. Gumbi. He has three wives. Their names are Bayede Cebekhulu Gumbi, Nombuso Malinga Gumbi, and the youngest is Zama Duma, who recently married in 2025. Now, Mr. Kumbi is known for, having beautiful wives. They are really gorgeous. All of them are just so beautiful. He has a reality show. That's how he got famous. And the last wife is the youngest of them all. He is the youngest. He is a 2K, so he is the youngest of all the wives. But they seem really happy, and Nayeshi seemed really happy to be joining the family. The wives didn't seem to have any problem regarding her age. So we just wish them all the best, man. We wish them all the best. There were allegations also, there were bleaching allegations within the family. But I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Rumors say that you get to join the family as a black bone, and then during the process of being in the family, you start becoming a yellow bone. So maybe it's because you just, stay in the house for too long. We don't know. Number three on the list, we have King Monada. So King Monada has two wives, and it has been reported several times that his two wives get along very, very well. They have no issues with each other. His first wife is Lerato Ramawela, and the second wife is Cynthia Ntebatse Leon. So with the first wife is the one with short hair, and then Cynthia is the one with a weave in the picture. She is the second wife. So with the first wife, they have a child, a baby boy. They have a boy child, and then the second wife also they welcomed their child, I think 2 years back, but we don't know if it's a girl or boy, but they also have a child with the second wife also. And reports have been mentioning that with the first wife, they've been together like for a very, very long time from the days of high school, before he became a celebrity. So we just wish them all the best. And when he does his interviews, he always mentions that each and every wife has a different role in his life. So we really don't know what he means by that. But as long as they are happy and he is also happy, we just wish them all the best. And it's a good thing that they get along with each other without causing him any stress and any drama. Because as we all know, polygamy can be stressful at times. It can be stressful, but as we can see in this picture, we can see that they do get along very well. You see their matching colors. They seem really happy, so it's a good thing. On number four on this list, we have the famous Mr. Jacob Gezeihlekisa Zuma. Mr. Jacob Zuma is a polygamist by nature. Like, he started this thing a very, very long time ago, you know. So he is a former South African president. He is known as a polygamist who has been married 6 times. His wives are Gertrude Sizakele Kumalo, Kate Mancho, who died in the year 2000, Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, who is now an ex-wife. They got a divorce. And then we also have Unompumelelo Ntuli, Thobeka Stacy Madiba, and Gloria Bongekile Ngema. These are the names of all his wives. He has been married for 6 times, you know, and he almost got married to Ulaqongo, who was going to be the last wife. But I really don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened between them. But yeah. And then number 6 on the list, we have Mr. Felix Hlophe. Mr. Felix Hlophe has 2 wives. The first wife is Tracy Hlophe Smith. They have been married for 7 years with the first wife, and they have 2 kids together. His second wife is Ayanda Pengu. Now, with the second wife, his relationship with the second wife almost collapsed in 2024 when they faced a turbulent period that led to their breakup. But they managed to get back together and they are happy now, happily married. We just wish them all the best, you know. We wish them all the best, and he is enjoying himself, you know. He really seems to be enjoying himself. Also, promoting the wife's business on his page on Facebook. So we just wish him all the best. He seems happy, and yeah, as long as that's all that matters. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and also comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys know any other celebrities that are in polygamous marriages that I didn't include in this video? Thank you so much. I will see you on my next video.